Here I have question 5A in June 2017, paper 3H. Use your calculator to work out the value of this expression. Give your answer as a decimal. Write down all the figures on your calculator display. This is probably meaning that the next question is going to be around rounding, right? Here, give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. So I already know because this question started off with writing all the figures on my calculator display. So I have rounding after it. There are some calculators that round up to 6 decimal places, 9, whatever, but because you have only one type of calculator, which is the scientific calculus, whatever, 991FX, something like this. So don't worry, you're all going to get the same calculator display because you will all have the same type of calculator. But this type here will get me like slight difference because I have more calculator display in this calculator. But let me write it. 7, I'd write it identical. I'd write this without changing nothing into the calculator. So 6.4 plus 2.2 squared. Check, is it correct? Did I wrote everything here in my calculator? Yes. So here the numbers weren't that much, so we're all going to probably get the same answer. Then to 3 significant figures. I know that 3 significant figures means 3 numbers that are 1, or like they're literal numbers, or 0. However, the 0 at the beginning of anything, actually, the beginning of a decimal, like 0 point something, 0.543, this is 3 significant figures. We don't count the 0. However, if it's if the 0 is after the numbers, so this is also 3 significant figures. Another thing we can say that also zeros after the numbers, like 700, this is 3 significant figures. So it has a specific rule that needs to be explained, but this is to cut the story short. So 3 significant figures, here it's going to be 1, 2, 3. I stop here. Look at what's after 8. So I'm going to round up. So increase by 1. So 6.30 plus 1 is going to be 6.31. 6.31. And that's it. Like easy 3 marks you can get. And they're totally in your hands and can be solved easily by any type of student.